I fix these every day. If you want to learn how to do it yourself and save some money, hit like and subscribe. This Maytag dishwasher had an F9E1 error code, meaning it could not drain. We solve a lot of these simply by removing a clog. If your dishwasher's not draining, try this before you call somebody. Remove your filter cover. You're wanting to get to the area that leads down to your drain pump. Very frequently, we find dishwashers that have a clog. This one you can see has a lot of gunk buildup. We like to vacuum it out. That gives us a clearer view of right before it goes into the drain pump. Now you can see the little plastic guard that covers the entrance to the drain pump. You're going to want to use a flathead screwdriver and pop that out. We often find plastic or other visible debris that you can simply pull out, and then your impeller will turn on that pump again. If that doesn't work, just simply remove this plastic water tray and the float switch that's connected. This will give us direct access to the drain line that connects to the drain pump, which is where we're going to be looking for our clog. Now this drain line that you can see right here comes off very easily. There's a plastic catch that keeps the drain line secure from popping out. Once you remove that plastic catch, the drain line will simply slide out. This is likely to be where you find your clog or what's jamming your pump. Now on this dishwasher, we found a bunch of sand and debris that had gotten down and clogged that impeller from being able to turn. So you'll see right here, we're pulling some of this out. Now when we find a jammed pump, we'll see everything from mashed potatoes to plastic to porcelain pieces from a cup. But all you need to do is get in there and see if there's anything visible, put a little screwdriver in there, and then try to pull it out. Once you've done that, reattach the drain line, put your safety catch back on there, and then you're ready to test it. We find a large number of dishwashers that aren't draining. It's simply due to a clog or a jam in that drain pump. If you find some debris in there, you probably just saved yourself a service call. Hey, thanks for watching. Your support means a lot. If this video helped, feel free to leave a tip and check the other links in the description.